I'm so happy we can finally make this trip, honey. We'll enjoy it so much.
You're right. I was expecting to go as soon as possible. We'll really have fun.
Yeah, and especially after that fight we had last time. I didn't mean to be that jealous. I'm sorry.
Well, in fact, you exaggerated a little. But we are going to therapy now. I'm sure that as time goes by, we could solve all our problems, honey. I love you so much.
Me too. I love you, babe. I don't know what happened to me. I was so pissed off. I thought you were cheating on me with my best friend. I went crazy. Sorry.
It doesn't matter anymore. The important is that we are better now and we're going on a nice trip.
Oh, yeah. We're going to the mountains. Do you have everything ready?
I think so. I left my bag in the car and also your bag. That's it, right?
Yeah, it will get really cold there, so we have to bring blankets, sweaters and special boots. Oh, the boots. I forgot them. Wait a minute. I'm going for them now. There's somebody at the door. Can you please open it? While I bring my hiking boots.
Sure, but hurry up or we'll miss the flight. Remember, we have to be there in an hour.
Yeah, sure. I will just take my boots and that's it. I love you, babe.
I love you too. And I'm so happy you have understood you were wrong.
Yes, I was an idiot. Forgive me for being so stupid and so jealous. I'm really sorry.
Yeah, you've already said that. Come on. Go for your boots. I will open the door to see who it is.
Thank you so much for watching videos. Please help subscribe my channel.
Hello, Tommy. Long time no see you. How have you been, neighbor?
Hi, Kelly. I'm sorry to bother you. I hope I didn't interrupt anything important.
Well, we're about to leave. Justine and I are going to the mountains. We're traveling today.
Oh, that's fantastic. Where exactly are you going? I also love to go hiking in the mountains.
I'm not sure. He told me it's a surprise. But I suppose we're going to the Great Mountains.
Those ones are just fantastic. I went with my family last year. It was awesome. You can go skiing too. We stayed in a beautiful hotel near a river. The view was awesome. Where are you going to stay? I can recommend you that hotel if you want. You'll love it.
I don't know. Justine has everything ready. He has planned this for weeks.
Well, you have to go to the Stars Hotel. That is the best hotel in the Great Mountains. It has a swimming pool, hot waters, extreme sports and the best customer service. One of my friends works there. I'm sure you know him. Charles. He came last day.
I don't remember. You have a lot of friends, so I don't really remember him.
I will call him. I will tell him you're going this weekend, so he can give you the best service.
Oh, thank you so much. You were so kind. But why did you come here?
Oh, damn. Ha ha ha. I'm sorry. I talked too much. What happens is that I will have a party tonight and I was wondering if you could lend me your grill. I want to prepare a delicious grilled meat. It's my cousin's birthday and we'll celebrate it. I would invite you, but now that I know you're traveling, it doesn't make any sense, right?
Yeah, we can't go. I'm sorry. Maybe some other time. We will travel today. But of course, I can lend you our grill. It's in our backyard. You can go and take it.
Oh, you're so kind. Thank you so much. I don't want to delay you anymore. I really hope you have fun and enjoy your trip. Bring me some souvenirs when you come back.
Ha ha ha, sure we'll do it. I have to go now. Take care, Tommy.
You too. And say hello to Justine. We need to play cards someday again.
Ha ha ha. I will tell him, don't worry. Have a good party.
Thank you so much for watching videos. Please help subscribe my channel.
Oh, honey, you're here. It was Robert. He is going to have a party today, so he asked.
He asked what? To go out with you? What were you talking about all this time?
What? What are you talking about? I'm telling you. It was Robert, our neighbor.
Yes, I heard that. What did he want? To go out with you. What's going on here?
What? No. He just wanted to ask me to lend him our grill. He will have a party and...
And what? He invited you to go to his party, right? Without me. I know him perfectly. He makes parties every weekend. He has a lot of friends. He is a womanizer. He doesn't have a wife or a girlfriend. He is single. And I know he always looks at you. You think I haven't noticed that?
Robert, are you serious? Are you just listening to you right now? I'm telling you that Robert just wanted us to lend him our grill because he will have a party today. He doesn't like me. He wasn't flirting with me. He just came here for the grill.
That's an excuse. All they wanted was to see you and to check if we are still together.
No, he is our neighbor. He was your friend. Robert. Yeah, well, he's not my friend anymore, since he like you. That's not a true friend. All he wants is to break up, so he can make his move. I know him perfectly.
He is like Maurice. All they want is you to break up with me. They talk behind my back.
Again with Maurice? He is your best friend. He just called me because he wanted to give you.
Yeah, I've already heard that story. He just wanted to give me a surprise. Because of my birthday. Yeah, right. Like I don't know what he was up to. Why does he have to call you, huh? Why? He has my number. He is my friend. There is no need to call you, Kelly. But you don't understand. Or you don't want to. I'm just protecting our relationship. I don't want us to break up because of that. But I won't let you cheat on me with Maurice or our neighbor Tommy. Are you listening to me? You will not cheat on me. I won't let that happen. Those terrible friends and neighbors.
Justine, we've been through this situation many times already. I am really sorry, but I can't. You're so jealous. I thought you could change, but no. Now I know it's impossible for you to change. I'm leaving you now. This is it for us. I'm breaking up with you. I hope you could find a solution for that problem.
What are you talking about? You can't leave me? Or... Oh, I know. You're breaking up with me because of Tommy or Maurice? I knew it, Kelly.
I'm sorry. I can't stand this anymore. Goodbye, Justine.
Wait! Kelly. Where are you going? We're talking here. Don't leave. Kelly. We need to talk. Come back here right now. Kelly, please. I promise. It won't happen again. Kelly. Please. Come back here.
No, Justine. I'm really sorry. I gave you an opportunity. That's it.
But I will change. Believe me. We're going to therapy. We'll overcome this.
I'm sorry. I know it will be hard, but I prefer to have peace in my life. Take care, Justine. I really hope you can solve your problem and find a good girl. I will miss you. Bye.
Thank you so much for watching videos. Please help subscribe my channel.